guys, today I'll be showing you how to become a copy and paste. So first, what you're gonna need to do, like I have all these softy outfits, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove every item that you're wearing because I'm gonna be showing you how to become a copy and paste. So I'm gonna be doing this with brown hair. So yeah, we already have hairs. So the copy and paste shirts that you're gonna wanna need is these white, like short sleeve or long sleeve. But I have short sleeve. Then the pants that you're gonna wanna wear, then you wanna go to green leggings, but we're not gonna wear those. We're going to wear these matching pants with your shirt. So once it is equipped, if you don't like how your CMP looks, then if you want to be a real CMP, then the outfits that you're gonna need to use for your CMP is these indie pants, because a lot of CMPs wear indie pants. Not a lot, but like a lot of them wear indie pants. But then we're gonna change the shirt and we're gonna wear a haiku, and a haiku, a haiku anime shirt that I bought from the Avatar shop. So once it's done loading, if you like how your outfit is, it's funny because I'm wearing brown hair and not black hair. So yeah. So now we're gonna save the costume as video. Hopefully Roblox does not like tag it. So then we're gonna do it as video, and then I'm gonna put a slash in it. If it says that, yeah, if it says that, just put and in space and say YouTube. It's probably not gonna work, but we're gonna make it. Yep, it tagged. Alright, let's rename it. Let's just put video. And you can't put any emojis, so video. So this is what my whole collection looks like. So if you want to see what it looks like inside of a game, then this is what you're going to do. So whichever game you pick, today I'm going to be picking Happy Runner because Happy Runner is the most easiest game. So now that Happy Runner is loading, now we're gonna see what your avatar looks like inside of a game. Some people have wanted this most requestedly. They wanted to know how to become a softie, how to become a CMP. Well, everything that you need to know is on my channel. Go subscribe. But anyways, this is what it looks like in Happy Runner. So as you can see, it's loading. Oh gosh, what is this? Okay, as you can see, it's loading. So this is what it looks like in Happy Runner. And if you want to change your face, sadly guys, I'm so sorry to tell y'all this, but I don't have the Stitch face, so I really can't be like a CMP because I really don't have the Stitch face. But this is what it looks like in the game. If you guys want to know how to become a softie once again, because I help a lot with those videos, because I pretty much am a softie, because I have lots of softie outfits. So yeah guys. But this is what it looks like inside of a game. If you don't like your style of being a CMP, that's totally fine. You can like change up your avatar and become your own CMP. I'm not telling anyone to copy my outfit. I'm not telling anyone to copy my outfit. Y'all can do like your own CMP outfit. I'm not telling anyone to copy this. Just to let y'all know. So don't come for me in the comments. But yeah. So I'm not telling anyone to copy. I'm just telling people that they can be their own person. So yeah, this is what it looks like inside of a game. And if you don't like the laughing fun face, then you can use the face that says it's a go time. That's my favorite face out of all of them. So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!